What's his birthday?
December 29th, 2012.
All right, okay, well, he's done. Oh, thank you so much. All right,
Very
and
helpful,
now,
Josephine.
now
Leave that on, Oscar.
I'm going to do one on this side and one on that side. Okay, Oscar, here it goes. Don't move. That's done. You're the best.
Wow, Oscar, that was awesome.
No more, Oscar. Then we'll put Band-Aids on and then you're all done.
Oscar, let me see you.
Yeah?
Oh, is that your little pouty face? Are you okay, bud?
He's so good. Oscar, you're the best. Okay, Oscar, Daddy can take you and get you all dressed. Okay.
Oh, brave,
Now
buddy.
my
Way
turn.
to go.
Now Josephine's
Oh, my
turn.
goodness.
Can we count,
I'm very
Josephine?
proud of you, Oscar.
Are you going to count for me?
Very proud of you. You're a good
Yeah,
boy.
can you count?
Okay.
Can you count for me? Are you going to count?
Now let's
1,
find your clothes.
2, 3. How far is Josephine going to count? How far? How far is Josephine going to count? You're not counting at all? No?
Don't be
Good.
shy, Josie.
All right,
Focus
that's
with it.
okay. You don't have to if you don't want to. Okay, there we go. And done. Let me just clean it, and I'm going to put a Band-Aid on there. Let me clean it up. And then a Band-Aid for Josephine. Okay, oops, dropping my Band-Aid. Yeah, I got a nice Band-Aid for you. Okay, can I have your finger?
Good job.
Okay, let's clean it up. Clean, 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 all clean. Now let's put a Band-Aid.
Arms up. Arms down. You can do it. Good job.
Okay, and now we're going to do a couple little things. One on this leg, and one on that leg.
Your pants, that's right.
Okay, Josephine, are you ready? One on this leg, and one on this leg. Done. No more, Josephine, no more. No more, look, I have Band-Aid. Look at sticker. Sticker, does Josephine want a sticker?
Okay.
Does Josephine want a sticker? What does Josephine want? What does she want?
Little
Does she
sticker.
want an extra one? Yeah. What does Josephine want? What does she want? All right.
Sticker.
Guess what?
That's
Sticker.
right.
Yay!
Yay.
Yeah.
Sticker.
Josephine.
Oscar,
Nice work, kid.
29, 12.
go ask if she'll give you a sticker.
Oh, definitely. We're going to go get stickers for sure. All right, guess what? We're all done. Okay?